In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps in Slack and declutter your workspace. Over time, Slack workspaces can get crowded with old bots, unused integrations, and test apps that no longer serve a purpose. Cleaning these up not only makes your workspace feel more organized, but it can also help reduce distractions and limit unnecessary third-party access to your channels. Just keep in mind that depending on your workspace settings, you may need admin or owner permissions to remove certain apps. If you don't see the options I mentioned, that usually means app management is restricted, and you'll need to ask a workspace administrator to remove the app for you. To begin, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your Slack workspace in a web browser. Once you're in, go to the upper left area of the sidebar and click on your workspace name. This opens a drop-down menu with several workspace options. From there, hover over Settings and Administration, then click Manage Apps. Slack will open the App Management dashboard in your browser, which is where all installed integrations can be reviewed and managed. Once the App Management page loads, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click Installed Apps. This will show you a full list of every app currently connected to your workspace. If you already know which app you want to remove, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. When you locate the app, click on its name to open its details page. After that, look just below the app's name and logo for the sub-navigation tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This section contains the app's configuration options and management controls. Scroll all the way down through the Settings panel until you reach the Remove App section near the bottom of the page. Now you're at the final part. In the red action area, click the Remove App button. Slack will then show a confirmation message warning you that removing the app will immediately disable its /commands, notifications, bot activity, and any other connected features. If you're sure you want to continue, click Remove one more time to confirm. At that point, the app is fully uninstalled from the workspace, and that's it. Your Slack workspace is now a little cleaner and easier to manage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.